Don't think I've got to say much. This speaks for itself, doesn't it? You can write whatever you freaking heck you want over a box, and these blokes don't give a damn. Look. Oh, I'm not going to answer my phone. Oh, stuff gets broken. Look at this. A half-witted idiot. More land on the ground than they're going on the conveyor. Look at that stupid dickhead. This is going to be a YouTube video. Someone's freight they're paying for, expensive air freight. My God, look at this idiot. Yeah, don't put your air freight with China Southern. So he's going to have to handle them all twice because most of them are on the freaking ground. Turkey. What an idiot. No, I'm more interested in my phone, right? There we go. Euro number 2's arrived. I'll pick up some of the dregs. What a joke. Yeah, if you'd put them on first, right the first time, you'd never have this problem. But no. Goodness knows what's in there. Hope it's not fragile, but there's a good chance it is. Idiot. It's like I was watching the last time I think it was here, it was sewing machines. Japanese made sewing machines. And they were doing something similar. Load them all like that. It's not all the same box as other boxes and other people's freight as well. Yeah, hit him on the head. Just make the job harder. There you go, freight handling at Guangzhou Airport. Very impressive.